Within 24 hours, FPV drone operators of the Airborne Forces Group Dnieper continued to inflict real losses on the right bank of the Dnieper River under the control of the armed forces of Ukraine. Russian military correspondent released the video on July 5, 2024, regarding the work of their FPV drones and their operations on Kherson front, which destroyed Ukrainian military food warehouses, which were hidden in large trucks. Next, the second drone hit the mortar crew's ammunition supply hidden in a warehouse. The advantages of FPV drones over conventional quadcopters are their friendly, operator-friendly spatial orientation, and very high speed, exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. In addition, drone operators from the ranks of the airborne forces at night discovered Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups heading towards the left bank of the Dnieper. FPV drones stopped their efforts right in the middle of the river, destroying the boats while sinking Kiev's hopes of en route to an area under the control of the Russian armed forces. FPV drone is difficult to detect and intercept, and very easy to maneuver. This allows Russian Dnieper group of forces to effectively destroy moving enemy targets, manpower in dugouts and special shelters, as well as another targets, such as vehicles. The Russian Ministry of Defense reported on the progress of the operations of the Dnieper Group of Forces unit from June 29 to July 5, 2024. They incurred losses to 1 mountain assault unit and 4 territorial defense brigades of the armed forces of Ukraine. Ukrainian losses amounted to 635 Ukrainian troops, 1 armored fighting vehicle, 36 motorized vehicles, 24 field artillery howitzers, including 13 US-made M777 howitzers. Additionally, 7 electronic warfare stations and 3 Ukrainian ammunition depots were destroyed.